What's happening, everybody? Today we're here at Wache Marina to check out Walters on the Water. Walters has been open for almost a year. This used to be K-Rae's on the marina, and we're gonna get some lunch and check out these magnificent, beautiful views.
And it sits beautifully out here right beside the water.
The Wacca lady.
And just a friendly reminder that the front door is in the middle of the dock, not the very first one coming up here on the steps.
Right out front, they have convenient parking.
Walters has a beautiful outside dining. They also have a bougie tent, so if you have parties of 14 or more, you can sit under there and enjoy the beautiful view as the boats roll in. At night, it's very relaxing and it's cool right here off the water. So you might want to bring a jacket. But with the beautiful light, the scenery, and everything, how could you go wrong? The menu is nicely set, where they have anything from seafood, salads, to steaks and pastas.
Okay, I got the Alfredo chicken.
And it is very delicious.
I
did steal a noodle while you were gone.
Did you steal a noodle while I was gone?
Did. Okay, and I got the fried shrimp with the pasta salad and the coleslaw. And Miss Nikki got
Asian chicken salad.
And Mike, he was hungry, so he got a house salad and he added grilled chicken. And that's a perfect portion right there.
How did you like your meal?
I loved it. That was very good. The shrimp was fried up just perfectly. The size of it was delicious. The coleslaw and the pasta salad was right on point. Not too creamy, not too dry, just delicious. What about yours, Beatbox?
I thought mine was very good. It was blackened chicken Alfredo, and I thought it was very good. I heard the burger was best, so next time when we come, we'll try the burger.
I don't know. I liked yours.
You tasted it?
I did.
Without me knowing?
Every time you turned your head, I have a.
No wonder.
That's why it went so fast.
That's why it went so fast.
Nikki, how was yours?
My Asian chicken salad was amazing. Nothing was left on my plate.
So our meal came out to $54.98. Not too bad for a meal on the marsh.
And as you can see over here, they also have a fan boat that we'd like to check out one day.
Well, that was a look at Walter's right here on the water in Murrells Inlet on the Waterway. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
See you in the next video.
$5.19 for unleaded. Hard times around the marina. Hard times.